This is a church for a model railroad that my great-grandpa built nearly 100 years ago. It's a neat family heirloom that tells me something about who my great-grandfather was and what his hobbies were. But it also says something about history more broadly. My great-grandfather came to Montana in 1910 to work as a dentist. And this church has a lot of design elements that were very common to rural churches built at that time. The layout, size, placement of the steeple, size of the windows, and pitch of the roof are all elements seen in similar buildings from that time. In examining these churches, we can say something about the people that built them. Yes, obviously they were probably members of that religion, but they also had financial resources and time to dedicate to the project. They had access to lots of lumber and sometimes masonry. But these churches are smaller, more humble, and lack the ornate stonework of other churches from other times or places. Stained glass must have been difficult to get. It probably came by train, along with nails, paint, and machine-manufactured rugs, materials that weren't widely available out west until the rail lines were built. Looking at old buildings, examining the materials and architecture used can tell us something about people at different times, their values, their technologies, their modes of transportation, and what life must have been like for them. And just like my great-grandpa building a church for his model railroad, we can make models and learn something in the process. This video is part of a series I'm making for my students. I'm a science teacher with an interest in 3D printing. Along with my history teacher colleague, we're planning on having students make a scale model of our town. The Toshiba America Foundation granted us money this past year to purchase 6 Creality Ender 5 printers, an Elugo resin printer, and other sculpting materials. Our goal is to have students engage in history, learn computer skills, and use math in new contexts. The videos I'm making will cover getting started in Tinkercad, the limitations of printers, building at scale, architectural features, questions to ask about history, painting the models, and building a scene. I hope you follow along and learn something that you can use. Thanks for watching.